Good morning. How you doing? I am Chris Thompson here in beautiful Hagerstown. See the orange sign there? I forgot a lockbox, so I got to go pick one up. Got a tenant moving out today over on Salem Avenue, so that will be back on the market. Honestly, probably tomorrow. As clean as that tenant's been, I probably don't need to worry about anything. Phenomenal tenant. She was there for about a year and a half. Wish she was staying forever, but that's the landlord curse. So we're gonna go grab a lockbox and then we're gonna go check this tenant out. Post tenant walkthrough.